Hello everyone, Michael Strickland here. It is Sunday, December 11th, 2022, and I have an update in my case. For those of you who are new to this channel and coming across this video by happenstance, I was the video news journalist who was attacked by a gang in downtown Portland in summer of 2016, and then I was the one arrested and brought up on multiple felony charges and held in jail for stopping the gang from beating me to a pulp. Meanwhile, the violent thugs are considered the innocent victims. I continue to fight my case still. Here we are 6.5 years later. So the news is, I have filed a complaint with the Oregon State Bar regarding the apparent unethical stunts pulled by Multnomah County DAs Todd Jackson and Kate Molina during the trial. So those of you who have been following the case, you'll recall that Ben Kerensa was the very, very large guy who premeditated and led the attack on me. He was the one who organized the gang. And he was called to the witness stand during the trial. And he testified that he had exchanged multiple emails with Portland police giving a narrative of what had happened during the incident. Now, the problem is those emails were never included in discovery. Attorneys are required, especially prosecutors, they're required to turn over all the discovery, all the information about the case to the defense. So what's interesting here is attorneys are also required to notify the courts and the opposition if they put on a witness who lied on the stand. We were never notified about Kerensa lying on the stand. So either Todd Jackson and Kate Molina withheld discoverable evidence, or they put on a witness who lied under oath. If the latter were true, then Kate and Todd would have known that he was lying because they would have had all the discovery and they would have known those emails weren't in the discovery. So which is it? One of these things must be true. They cannot both be untrue. Either they withheld discovery or they put on a witness who lied. Either one is a violation of their code of ethics. So the attorneys are required to abide by this professional rules of conduct that are part of being admitted into the Oregon State Bar. So that brings up another thing here. How many other stunts have Kate Molina and Todd Jackson pulled? Have you been a victim of their unethical behaviors? I encourage you to file a complaint with the Bar Association. I encourage you to leave a comment, message me. I'm interested in your story. These types of things need to get out to the public. In fact, I just might submit another complaint or 2 or 3 or 4 about these people. I've also included a companion video to this one that I'm uploading about the same time that goes through the process of how to file a complaint with the Bar Association. But as I've often said, these people started the fight. I never wanted any fight. I wasn't there to fight. I wouldn't know or care who any of these people were had they not gone out of their way to consciously start trouble with me. All I'm doing is reacting to what other people have done to me. So again, if you're new here, I encourage you to check out some of the other videos. I go into some details about what had happened during the case, a bunch of other shady stunts that have been pulled and whatnot. I have video of the actual incident itself that I've narrated, and then of course the other videos of my previous life as a news journalist, which I was banned from doing for 4 years. And during that time, basically, we've learned that these gangs of thugs have carte blanche to do whatever they want on the streets. They can attack whoever they want. And the decision in my case probably led to that. So I feel like I have an ethical obligation to continue fighting this case, not just for me, but for everybody else. Not just when it comes to doing journalism, but when it comes to shady stunts pulled by people within the court system. I feel as though I have an ethical obligation to report such things. So thank you for watching, and check out the companion video to this one.